This is the home screen of the application, and you pretty much can set any plan that you have in mind, or you want to set something that's coming up. You can use this application here. So all you have to do is tap on the plus icon here, and you just set whatever you want to set. Let's say you want to work out at a specific time, you can set that. And as well, I'm just going to enter something random here. You can also give a description as it relates to what you're setting. Also, you can set the date. As you can see here, you can set the date, the time, pretty much everything, and how you want it to be repeated. If you want it to be repeated in next week after that, whatever the case is. So once you have selected that information here, you can also set it as high priority, which is pretty much the first priority at the number 1, or you can just set it at medium, or number 4 is the lowest. You can also add a reminder as well, but that's all up to you. So once you've done that, you just tap on the send icon here, and it will be set. So once you have completed say task is complete, you can also see what you have today if you have set any task ahead of time. So check here, features, settings, feature. So really easy application, great application if you have things that you need to get done and you're not remembering to do them. Then it's their prices. So very easy application to use, and I said before, if you have any problem at all